Meet Jeff Toothaker, Hancock County's most helpful defense attorney. If you're the prosecutor, this man has the highest conviction rate in Hancock County, second only to Robert Van Horn. If he's your court-appointed lawyer, consider yourself already convicted. Take Nicholas Sexton, convicted in a 2014 murder trial. The DA asked for a sentence, but thanks to Toothaker's stellar defense work, Sexton got more time than even the prosecution requested. And what was Toothaker's excuse? He claimed he liked his client, but still threw him under the bus.
38-year-old Nicholas Sexton and 42-year-old Randall DeLuz were tried together in 2014 for the murders of Lucas Toscano, Daniel Borders, and Nicole Lugden. Their bodies were found in a burned-out car in Bangor in 2012. DeLuz is serving 3 life sentences for the murders and arson.
Sexton was found guilty of murdering Lugden and arson. He was sentenced to 90 years in prison. Today, Sexton was back in a Bangor courtroom. Emily Tadlock was there. She joins us now with more. Emily?
Sexton appealed his conviction in 2016, arguing he and DeLuz should have been tried separately, but the Maine Supreme Judicial Court denied that appeal. Now Sexton is back in front of a judge.
He trusted us in our judgment. I liked it. I still like it. I don't think he killed any of these people personally, but he was involved, but he also gave us free rein to do what we thought was best for him.
Sexton appeared in front of a judge arguing he could have been given a lesser sentence had his defense lawyers Jeff Toothaker and David Bate told the jury he could have been pressured by DeLuz to kill Lugden.
I asked him about both of them, because he brought up the arson duress. And I said, what about the murder? Because I felt like it should be with everything, because I couldn't get out of the car. I felt like I was just stuck there. And he said that you can't use duress for the murder.
You can't argue duress when you didn't have anything to do with it. Duress implies conduct. Conduct would mean he participated. So accessory principle doesn't matter. You're looking at 25 plus on a murder. We went to get him exonerated. We tried to get him not guilty across the board.
Sexton's newly appointed lawyer called expert in criminal law James Mason.
Given the testimony that I reviewed from Mr. Sexton and at the point where it's discussed with the court, I do believe that it was appropriate for them to consider asking for the duress instruction.
The state is encouraging the court to deny the petition for post-conviction review. If he should grant it, Mr. Sexton gets a new trial.
Regardless of the outcome, this was another emotional day for the victim's family.
It brings everything back up for the victims' families, and that's very difficult.
The judge told me this afternoon he would be issuing his judgment within the next few weeks. Morgan, back to you.
All right, thank you, Emily Tadlock, reporting live for us in the studio tonight.
This happens over and over with multiple cases. Toothaker isn't there to defend you. He's there to help the system chew you up. How is this guy not disbarred? That's the real mystery. If Jeff Toothaker is your court-appointed attorney, you might as well let the DA write your sentence now, because that's exactly what's going to happen. How many lives is Jeff Toothaker going to destroy? Will he ever be disbarred? Lawyers like Jeff is exactly why living in Maine theft of your life.
Here he comes in a 3-piece suit, court-appointed, but he's playing for the loot. Shakes your hand, says he's on your side, but when the gavel drops, it's a one-way ride. The DA smiling, the judge don't blink. You're doing more time than they even think. He don't fight, he don't defend, just lines you up and sells you out again. Jeff Toothaker Rooks Another One. Sign a deal, your case is done. Never fought, never tried. Now you're locked up for the rest of your life. That won't fly, but what he really means is he won't even try. Highest conviction, second to none. Hancock County's favorite prosecutor in disguise. Sexton begged, he knew the score. Toothaker just walked him through the prison door. He don't appeal, he don't defend, just rolls you over again and again. system's rigged and you pay the cost. One-way ticket, locked up tight. Another poor soul just lost the fight. Toothaker Rooks Another One. You don't fight cause the deal's already done. Public defender or prosecution, son, either way, you're already gone. How is he still in the game? The courtroom's rigged, it's all the same. Another case, another lie, another man gets left to die.